Hoy!
Ay, ako tinan mo, ako talaga, naghanda ako, diba? Ganyan, pak, ganon.
Yan ba ang gusto mo? Ito, naghanda rin ako. Pak! Bakit gusto niyo makita yung tunay niyong ama?
Kapal ang mukha mo?
Oo.
Alam mo, hindi, si Tekla po kasi, kahit anong suotin naman kasi niyan, hindi rin pinapansin ng mga tao. Sa totoo lang.
Kasi nung nakita ko sa mannequin, ang ganda-ganda eh.
Tapos?
Nung sinuot ko, wala nang kwenta. Doon ko nataktan to na may mga damit pang mannequin lang.
So, ibig sabihin, huwag ka na magsuot ng ganyan.
Sige.
Pero alam mo, si Tekla po sa personal, maayos naman itsura, tama? Kasi okay naman yung ilong mo, maganda.
Okay naman yung ilong ko, yung mata
ilong
ko.
mo, hindi masyadong pango. Sakto lang. Yung mata mo, okay.
Okay naman.
Yung kilay.
Kilay, okay naman. Yung pisngi, okay naman. Hindi lang talaga sila magkasundo.
So, dapat?
May mga gap. Minsan maayos naman si mata at saka si ilong, chinichismis nito. Wala din.
Ay, kayo na ba tayo nagsasalita ng Tagalog? Ang daming mga ibang lahi.
Of course, I can speak English, Donita. Don't you ever
Ano?
Taka.
Ano? Tuloy mo. Tuloy mo. Ayan, ang dami nila. Iba-iba yung mga lahi nakikita.
Yeah. I saw, especially here. Yes, sir, where are you from?
Ano?
Yeah, I'm talking to you.
Huwag mo sa awain, tarantado ka taga dito yan.
You know Harry Potter?
Ano? Sino?
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter?
Harry Potter is my brother.
And?
That makes my mother a Potter. So we are anak ng Potter.
So, Potter.
Potter, you know.
No, hi sir, nice meeting you and is she your wife?
Oh my God, palakpakan naman natin isa namang Pilipina nakaahon sa kahirapan.
Soba ka naman, Tekla.
Did you know you are so lucky that you are married a Filipina?
Why you say so?
Because Filipina is the best wife in the whole wide world. You know what? Filipina are very loving.
Yes.
Filipina are caring.
Yes.
And you know, Filipina is very stretching. You know the muning, very stretchable. Okay. You know what? One size fits all.
No, we are very accommodating.
Yeah,
we can accommodate all sizes. You know that?
You love Filipina?
Yeah, of course.
How about as Filipino? You love? You must try as Filipino.
Why?
You wanna enter my bat cave? If you wanna go inside, oh my God, you can see only one thing.
What?
Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas.
Ay, ate, hindi, biro lang po ha. Ayan. Matagal na po kayo mag-asawa.
Did he move you?
Ano?
Yeah, did he move her?
Ano?
Did
Ano na?
Ikaw naman, tol.
Ano bang sasabi mo?
Did he move her?
Ano yung did he move her?
Kung nagalaw niya na ba? Did he move her?
Inurong lang. Hindi, parang do you have kids?
You have kids? Baka naman sa ibang butas na papasok ate.
Teka, sadali lang.
Sorry.
Kung sabi nga sa atin, for how long you been married? 10 years. And you don't have, it's okay.
Ate, ako may kaibigan.
You speak in English.
I have a friend.
Yes.
They're good.
Bobo talaga yung tao kita. Bobo pa. You talk to her.
I have a friend.
Yes.
You know, they're almost 10 years together.
Yes.
They have no kids.
Yeah. So, what did they do?
I advised her that she's going to dance in Obando, Bulacan.
Because I would like to give you some background about Obando, Bulacan. When you when your wife and you're married for 10 years and you didn't have a kid, you just need to go to the Philippines. It's Obando, Bulacan. Then you need to dance for you to have, kids.
Grabe in-advisean ko talaga yun. 3 araw sumayaw sa Obando, Bulacan.
3 araw?
Sayaw siya ng sayaw. Ayun, nakunan.
So, buntisa pala. Sira ulo. Have you been to the Philippines? Oh, that's nice. Where?
Pangasinan.
Okay.
Have you been to Boracay? Yes. Have you been to the island of Boracay? That's a very nice island.
Yes, yes.
If you lots of budget, you go to the island of Boracay. If you not enough budget,
Yes, where?
you go to the other side of Boracay.
Where is that?
The island called Dakak.
The cup, yeah.
I love Dakak. I swallow Dakak. I sit on Dakak.
Tekla!
How I miss Dakak. That's an island.
No, actually, it's a beach in the Philippines, Dakak. Yeah, Dakak, Palawan, Boracay, okay? So if you've never been there, you just try to go there and visit Dakak.
And I suggest that you have to go to the most friendly place in the Philippines.
Where is that?
The people there are nice, very
They're
nice.
friendly, accommodating, yes.
You go to Basilan, Sulu. Once they like you, they will never let you go. They keep your head as a souvenir.
Takutin, sira ulo ka.
Have you been kidnapped before? Not yet. Oh, don't worry, it's under process.
Tekla, nasa bansa ka, dila.
Sorry.
Oh, sira ulo ka. Anyway, enjoy. Thank you. What's your name, sir?
What's your name? What's your name?
Paro? Paromas.
Paromas.
Ah, Paromas.
What is your nationality? Huh?
French.
French. Oh, bonjour. Comment allez-vous?
Passez beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup.
Ça va.
Padabaw kumuli kung dabaw.
Passez-vous.
Passez-vous ka.
Passez-vous.
Est-ce beaucoup pour salé?
Ay, ano ulit?
Est-ce beaucoup pour salé?
Ay, oo. Oh, ano yun?
Est-ce beaucoup pour salé? Est-ce beaucoup pour salé? Comment ça va? Comment ça va?
Ça va.
Yan, ça va. Merci. Merci. Pistikanti. Merci. Merci beaucoup.
Merci mo ka?
Merci beaucoup.
Ako din, bumili kasi ako kaya.
Merci beaucoup.
Nawala mo.
Voulez-vous que je sois avec moi ce soir?
Ay, oh.
Ha? Kumayos ka?
Umayos ka. Umayos ka din, ha? Yan, umayos ka daw, di ba?
Sige.
Anyway, enjoy, okay? French
Oui. Shh. Oui. Umihi.
Ate, ayan, hello sa iyo, ha? Oo, Atis Ova. Gwapo naman siya. Oo.
Oo.
At saka ang daming gwapo dito sa UK.
Marami din kamukha ko, ayaw ko magturo. Mga malate yan. Sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Sino?
Ha? Yung iba nga, di makatingin sa akin eh.
Kasi?
Kamukhang-kamukha ko. Ano to, buong araw ko lang pangit?
Hindi ka naman pangit.
Okay.
Depende lang yan sa katabi mo.
Sa bagay.
O, diba? Kung gusto mo maging maganda,
Tumabi ka sa maganda.
ano?
Kung gusto mo maging maganda, tumabi ka sa pangit. Yan. Oo, kasi kami yung pangit, kami ang nagsakripisyo para gumanda kayo. Oo. Kaya magpasalamat kayo sa mga pangit.
Bakit?
Dahil pag walang pangit, walang maganda, paano kayo kumpara? Ang hirap kayo ng ginagawa ng sakripisyo namin, hindi nyo alam yun.
Sorry.
Yan.
Salamat, pangit ka.
Yan. Para may... sino bang magpasalamat dyan? Sino ulo? Sige.
Hindi. Ay, alam mo, dapat gusto niyo ba kaming kumanta? Yes. Sige, kailangan natin kumanta, no? Para...
Kailangan namin kumanta para mabuo yung sweldo at nakauwi na.
Ano to? Ayan, sige. Kakanta muna ako.
Sige.
Sige, ano muna tayo?
Ang init.